3 things you can find only in Japan. First, Burger King in Japan actually sells rice burgers, and it's a pretty unique meal that you really can't find in many other places around the world. Instead of using regular bread buns, the meat patty is wrapped and held together by pressed rice buns. It's definitely one of the messiest burgers you'll ever try, but it's also incredibly delicious. Japanese hospitals are on a whole different level. They use special devices that map out your veins with ease. The nurse simply hovers the device over your arm, and a hologram-like image of your veins appears. This makes it much easier for them to insert the needle on the first try. Japan has a product whose purpose is to isolate your taste buds from certain strong or unpleasant flavors. It's especially popular among kids because it helps hide the bitter taste of medicine. The product comes as a thin, flexible plastic-like sheet that you simply place directly on your tongue, and once it settles, it blocks a large portion of unpleasant flavors from reaching your taste buds. If you are a cyclist in Japan, you don't need to worry about the struggles of carrying your bike up long flights of stairs. In many public places, whenever you come across a set of steps, you will also see a moving belt installed right beside them. This belt is designed specifically to help cyclists by carrying the bike for you. In Japan, there's a type of ice cream that doesn't melt at all. Even when it's left out at room temperature, it stays cold and keeps its shape. Its melt-resistant property comes from a natural, food-grade ingredient rather than chemicals, making it completely safe to enjoy. They sell at every 7-Eleven, and they are very delicious. In most Japanese convenience stores, you can purchase these anti-hangover beverages. They come in tiny bottles, but that little shot is enough to refresh you. They contain all-natural ingredients made from various herbs and vitamins. Usually, people drink them before going out, so the next day you wake up with no headaches and no regrets. If you're dealing with a clogged toilet, this product from Japan is a lifesaver. It's a special sticker that unclogs your toilet with ease. Just apply it over the seat to create a tight seal, flush, and press on the sticker as the pressure builds to push everything down the pipes. Then peel it off, and just like that, the blockage is gone. If you're someone who loves butter, this Japanese product will amaze you. Some grocery stores sell butter in tube-like packaging, just like toothpaste. This makes it incredibly easy to spread, making your lunch preparation super quick. Perfect for when you're in a rush to get to work or school. And the best part is that it comes in various flavors. Japan is known for having incredible street food vendors, but one that stands out and is especially popular is the sweet potato truck. The truck roams the streets carrying delicious roasted potatoes you can smell from far away. They're always fresh and hot, so if you're in the mood for a quick meal, make sure to stop by the truck. The Japanese katana is known for having one of the sharpest blades in the world, but an unskilled user would probably fail even when trying to slice a simple sheet of paper. Even though it's sharp, its true power comes from the person wielding it. Only a trained samurai can use it effectively, and that level of skill takes months of practice. A company from Japan created a clever invention that can keep you dry, but also get others wet. It doubles as a powerful water gun. Just dip the tip in a puddle or any source of water, pull the handle to suck it up, and you're ready for a water fight. You can even use the umbrella as a shield while playing. This Japanese bakery is going viral for creating the most unique dessert. They're called tiramisu cups and are made to look like actual coffee cups, hence the name. Every part of it is completely edible. The cup is made entirely of chocolate, and inside is the delicious tiramisu dessert. During the Mission Impossible premiere, Japanese cinemas sold these limited edition popcorn buckets. Each bucket is designed to contain keys that serve as tools to solve a mini puzzle, so be ready to do some thinking before you dig in. Once opened, the bucket lights up from the inside, giving it a nice glow and making it easier to eat in the dark. Another unique product is this 2-in-1 water bottle that comes with a built-in container for medicine pills. It has 7 separate compartments, each labeled for a day of the week, so you can store your scheduled doses easily. This way, you don't have to carry your water and pills separately, and you'll always have your medications on hand in case of emergencies. In Japan, people don't usually open their drinks with their hands. There's no need to struggle. This pocket-sized opener always comes in handy. It easily opens cans, saving your nails, and can also twist off tightly sealed water bottle caps. A clever, lightweight tool that's simple to use. When checking into a Japanese hotel, before heading to your room, you stop by a desk filled with free amenities. Take as much as you need: soap, toothbrushes, razors, and even a huge selection of tea and coffee. And yes, you can take it all with you when you leave. Next, on rainy days, some stores have these umbrella wrapping machines at the entrance. Just slide your umbrella in and it gets wrapped instantly so you don't drip water all over the floor. And lastly, if your train is delayed and you're going to be late for work, you can grab one of these slips of paper. It's an official certificate that says the train was late, so your boss knows it wasn't your fault. To make sure you can enjoy hot food even while traveling on a train, you'll find self-heating bento boxes. Whenever you're ready to eat, just pull the strip attached to the box and it starts heating up on its own. In a few minutes, your meal is warm, fresh, and tastes even better. Next, this clever tool saves you so much time and effort in a bedroom. All you have to do is place it under your mattress, pull the bedsheet over it, lock it in place, and now, no matter how hard you try, your sheets won't come off. And lastly, Japan has taken sauce packaging to way another level. Instead of the usual tear-open packets, sauces come in small, convenient, and reusable containers. In Japan, during rainy days, if you're going somewhere together, instead of carrying 2 umbrellas or squeezing under one, you can use this special umbrella designed to keep 2 people equally dry. Next, there are these heat pads that help you survive Japan's freezing winters. They come in lots of different designs, and all you do is stick them on and they start heating up instantly. And lastly, if you're tired of getting endless junk mail and ads in your mailbox, don't worry. You can just put up this anti-advertising sticker and no more unwanted mail. Summers in Japan bring swarms of mosquitoes, but luckily there's no need to worry. Japan came up with a clever solution: mosquito repellent stickers that protect you at all times. By pressing the tiny capsule inside the sticker, it releases a special odor that keeps the blood-sucking insects away. Stick it to your clothes and you're good to go. Next, Japan takes money laundering seriously, but not the illegal kind. At certain shrines, people take their cash or debit cards and place them in a bamboo basket. They wash the money in sacred spring water, believing it will attract more wealth and good fortune. This centuries-old ritual is known as zani-arai, or money washing. Japanese airports are unlike many others around the world. Staff members carefully lift and place each piece of luggage instead of throwing it around. They handle every bag with respect to make sure nothing gets damaged. Even upon arrival, the staff neatly lines up your suitcases for easy pickup. A Japanese company designed a stapler that can bind paper without using staples. It works by cleverly cutting and folding a small part of the paper to lock the sheets together. This makes it eco-friendly and cost-saving since you never run out of staples. It's simple and safe to use and jam-free, making it perfect for everyday office work. Next, if you ever want to try great tamagoyaki in Japan, visit this food shop that has been open for over 100 years. What started as a small family business is now known for making some of the best rolled omelets in Tokyo. Their kitchen runs like a factory, producing hundreds of rolls each day. You can try the classic plain version made with just eggs, or choose one of their varieties with delicious toppings and fillings. Ever wondered how much bacteria and dirt your phone carries? This is why Japan is a few steps ahead. In public, you can find these multi-purpose washing stations. While you wash your hands, your phone gets disinfected at the same time. Just place it in the designated slot, and within 30 seconds, ultraviolet light sterilizes your phone. Next, watching a movie with snacks is considered the perfect combo. That's why cinemas in Japan offer these clever snack trays that make the whole experience even more enjoyable. The tray attaches easily to your seat, turning into a mini table that can swivel or fold away whenever you need. When you're inside a Japanese convenience store, sometimes the item you want is sitting all the way in the back. Instead of stretching and knocking things over, there's a simple trick. Just pull the handle at the front of the tray, and it slides the products right to you. Next, across parks in Korea, you'll find solar-powered benches that do more than just provide a place to sit. The panels collect energy to power built-in phone chargers, so you can charge your device while taking a break. Some even offer Wi-Fi, making your rest stop both relaxing and convenient.